How to configure proxy settings in Jarvee using 4G proxies. Just open the website www.4gnet online. Then click on the Login button. Enter your login details, then click on the Login button. Then click on your active proxies. Copy the proxy information. Let's apply it on the Jarvee. When you open the Jarvee, you will see this screen. Just click on Proxy Manager. Then click on Add Proxy button. Then enter your HTTP address and port here. Then enter your username here. And enter your password here. So to check the proxy, select the proxy and click Verify Selected Proxies. Check the status, it is valid. So go 4G net, buy and enjoy the fraud-free and 100 accurate services.